In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a song to YouTube Music. First, we need to open the YouTube Music application. You can do this by locating the app on your device. If you're on a computer, simply navigate to the YouTube Music website. On your screen, you'll see a vibrant interface filled with music recommendations, playlists, and trending songs. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing all your music needs. Once you open the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will see options for Home, Explore, and Library. This initial setup will help ensure a smooth experience as you proceed to add a song. Next up, log in if prompted. If you are already signed in, you will be taken directly to the main page. If not, enter your credentials such as your email and password to access your account. This step is important because it connects your saved music to your personal profile. Once you're logged in, you will see your personalized playlists and recommendations based on your listening habits. This ensures that any songs you add will be saved in your library for easy access later. After that, click on the search icon located at the top of the screen. You will see a magnifying glass that signifies the search function. Type the name of the song or artist you want to save. As you type, suggestions may appear below, making it easier to find what you're looking for. This feature is essential because it saves you time by quickly narrowing down your options. Once you've entered the name, you'll see a list of matching results. Take your time to find the exact song you want to add. Now tap or click the three vertical dots next to the song name. This icon is often referred to as the menu icon. It will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available for that particular song. This small action is significant because it opens up the possibilities of how you can interact with the song. You'll be able to see options for sharing, adding to playlists, or saving to your library. This step ensures you have full control over how you organize your music. From there, select either Save to Library or Add to Playlist from the menu options that appear. If you choose Save to Library, the song will go directly into your main music collection. Alternatively, if you prefer to add it to a specific playlist, select Add to Playlist. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it allows you to categorize your music exactly how you want. Once you make your selection, the app will confirm that your action has been completed. You should see a brief notification indicating that the song has been successfully added. Finally, take a moment to explore your library or the specific playlist you just added the song to. You'll be pleased to see your new addition right where you want it. This final step is rewarding because it confirms that you have successfully completed the process. Now, you can enjoy your favorite song anytime you want. Adding songs to your collection is a great way to personalize your listening experience. You can always go back and add more songs or even create new playlists as you discover more music. Enjoy your enhanced music journey on YouTube Music.